Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the crochet flower hairband. For this pattern we will need this type of elastic hairband and one cotton thread. This is a orange color cotton thread and 1.5 mm crochet hook. Let us start. Insert your hook into this hairband and pull through yarn and make one slip stitch. First slip stitch count as a first single crochet stitch and make 14 single crochet stitch into this hairband. Fourteen. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and one more 14. For next round I am going to the very first stitch here and join it with slip stitch. Now I am making 10 chains. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then I am going to the next stitch with single crochet and then I am going to the next stitch with slip stitch and then make 10 chain. Go to the next stitch with single crochet, go to the next stitch with slip stitch and you repeat the same pattern in this all around your single crochet stitch. I have completed my 7 loops and now I am going to the very first loop with single crochet stitch. Make 15 single crochet stitch into this loop. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11 12 13 14 and 15 and then I am going to the next loop with single crochet and make 15 single crochet into this next loop and you make 15 single crochet in each loop of this round. Hello friends, I have completed my second round and my hairband is almost ready, but here in this middle you can attach or insert this type of beads, and it looks beautiful. You take your needle and insert it in the middle portion of this flower. Your crochet flower hairband is ready for use, and this is a very simple and easy pattern. You can do it easily, you can make it easily. And please subscribe my channel for more videos, and thanks for watching.